Hey IELTS learners, want to sound more natural in your speaking and writing? Let's learn 10 super useful phrasal verbs, fast. Number 1. Come up with. To think of something. I came up with a great idea for my essay. Number 2. Carry out. To do or perform something. They carried out a survey on pollution. Number 3. Look after. To take care of. Who looks after the children when you're at work? Number 4. Get along with. To have a good relationship. I get along with my classmates really well. Number 5. Cut down on. To reduce. I'm trying to cut down on fast food. Number 6. Put off. To delay. Don't put off your preparation. Number 7. Run out of. To use up completely. I ran out of ideas in the speaking test. Number 8. Take part in. To participate. She took part in a global conference. Number 9. Bring up. To mention. He brought up climate change during the talk. And number 10. Make up for. To compensate. She worked late to make up for lost time. Want more phrasal verbs like these? Hit that subscribe and keep learning with IELTS Symphony.